Hello everyone, my name is James. I am in the second grade and I go to Yeomin Elementary School. Today I am going to talk about my dream. I have many dreams to achieve, but when I grow up I want to become a famous painter. I love drawing pictures because it is so much fun and makes me feel so happy. I can draw anything that I imagine in my mind. I can draw my happy family, friends, and my dreams. I can also draw myself as a prince or Spider-Man creeping on a building. I am so glad that everything becomes joyful while drawing picture. My dream might change someday as I learn about the world and myself, but I really want to make my dream come true. I will practice drawing pictures and read many picture books. I will also study hard and listen to my teacher share. Thank you for listening.